Somebody is building a nest in the soursop tree. Seen a bird with a stick in his mouth. I was like, he's not eating the cherries. See that little movement in there? Okay, let's get closer. There he is, or she. Who builds the nest? Is it the male or the female? Don't worry, I'm not going to bother your eggs. I'm just taking a picture. If there's eggs in there. Why did she pick this tree? Does she see safety in this tree? Ah, there it is. How clever. I would have never known if I didn't hear her rustling in there. As long as it's not a beehive. See, there it is. Tucked away in the tree. Here's the front view. Not gonna mess with it. Maybe it'll bring some blessings, finally some fruit on this tree because it hasn't fruited yet.